So one's a polycarbonate, one's a flexible. So the nylon is going to retain heat a little bit better, so it's going to be nicer to use on aluminium, whereas the polycarbonate will dissipate heat quicker. This has, when you're pulling perfectly square from the panel, this will give around a 25% extra pull strength. So as we've started to lose some of the surface area of the tabs, that's when it's become more critical to have a stronger tab. All right, so you'll find certain technicians will favour the flex, certain technicians will favour the ice. What I would say to you is use them both and make the decision for yourself, because we all pull slightly differently and they're all going to react slightly differently to how we pull.